So remember when I texted on Thursday? I still haven't heard anything.
All right.
Anybody get those questions answered?
No.
I mean, I kept thinking about what it could be. I mean, the mean can be represented by X, so maybe he wanted X as the answer. But then what would the standard deviation be? S? Unless it's a sample, it would be sigma, and I don't know how to write that.
Yeah, I don't know.
So, okay. Well, I posted it on the board and said, hey, I don't know if you got it, but I texted you last Thursday about questions, and I don't know if email's better, but I'd like the answers before I take the exam. But,
Yeah.
So hopefully he answers.
Okay. Oh my gosh, this is funny. My whole screen is the video, and it won't let me minimize it, so I can't get onto a lesson or anything.
And I don't know why my camera is always so dark. So dark.
Alright, let's see. Come on. Alright, well, I mean, I guess we can go over the questions. I just won't have them right in front of me. So if somebody wants to kind of lead it, and then I can tell you what my answers are, too.
Going over the homework.
Yeah, over the homework. And then hopefully I can get my husband to come in here and help me fix this so we can do the quiz together.
What's the hypothesis between the
It won't let me minimize the screen at all.
no effect or no difference?
You don't want to minimize the screen.
I just want to look at, I have to have some other things up.
You don't want these people to be. Sorry, you guys will have to look at me for a little bit. I'm not nearly as pretty as my wife. I apologize.
Prettier, in my opinion.
Yeah. Who all thinks Tammy's vote should count? That's what I thought.
I don't know what I did.
I don't know either. What did you do?
I have no idea. I just pushed start broadcast.
Okay. Usually there's like a little
I know.
icon.
Should I just redo it and invite them again?
Settings. You can just open up a different computer and pull up your homework on.
Is there a way to get on anything, like if you go down here, does anything show up? Ah, yes.
What?
Just go to like Google. Yes. There you go.
Okay. Can you guys still see Tammy?
Yeah.
Now how do I get them back? No, it's like, I think it's like this. I don't know. Alright. No, it's not up there. It's like it's different than that.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, put on video call. See if it. I don't think it is though. Oh, there it is. Just kidding. Wait, no, it isn't. Because I should be able to see them. That's not it. Yeah, see, that's new. That's a new one. Oh my
Okay,
gosh.
this is not here?
Yeah, see if that. No, you're in a video call.
I know.
Oh, okay.
It's not here.
Right.
That's January 28th.
Guys, let's go ahead and get started.
Okay.
Which hypothesis between the null and alternative hypothesis is the hypothesis of no effect or no difference or status quo is to be assumed true?
I got null hypothesis.
It's the null.
This is my video call, but I won't be able to get on. Okay. Yeah, null hypothesis is mu equals 529.
Sorry, where are we? Did we start?
Yeah, part 2, the first question.
Oh, we're skipping down to part 2?
I didn't know
I thought you guys said you didn't have any questions with part 1.
that. Oh,
I just thought you wanted to go through those. No, I'm good on part 1.
Yeah, I'm good on part 1 too, unless you guys want to.
Anyway, so just
okay. Determine the null alternative
Quick.
hypothesis. Well, null means that there's no change. Therefore, mu equals 529.
All right, this is just gonna drive me crazy.
So yeah, the null is a mean score of 529, and alternative is mean score of greater than 529, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Yes. Part B, did you get a type 1 error?
Type 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's positive.
Okay. C, 1 over 100 or 1% chance?
1%.
Yeah. Because it's the same as alpha, whatever alpha is.
Yeah.
Okay. And D, increase?
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
All right, number 2.
The population is his clients that own the second home.
Okay, yep, that's what I got.
Mhm.
And I put that he just randomly selected a sample
Simple random.
from that.
From his clientele, right? And the question is the average age of people buying a second investment property in my area different than the national average, basically, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
All right, what do you got for B?
Give me 1 second, guys.
did it normally not do this to you?
Mm-mm. Nope, I'm normally going to have a bunch of things up at one time. Okay, so I have for B that he could have assigned his clients a number, and then he used a random number generator.
Yeah. I did the systematic, the every 4th or every 5th, kind of every... Okay, so I think if the answer can be just about anything.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
could divide it into columns even, and then just pick one from each column every other time.
Yeah. Okay, how about C? X equals 46.73. Sigma equals, I have sigma equals 8.827.
Yeah.
Okay.
Really.
The minimum was, so I'm sorry, I don't have the questions in front of me, but I think it asked to give you like 5 statistics or something.
Yeah,
So,
the SD, the variance, the minimum,
Yeah.
Q1, the median, the Q3, the maximum, and the IQR.
the minimum is 27, the max is 58, the median is 49.
Oh, you can see
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can print this.
No, it's okay. I might be able to get to lots of different things, but okay. If I need help,
Sorry,
I'll
I-
let you know. Okay.
Close. Watch.
Okay, on D. I have
Let's say it's left skewed.
data you'll need to check. Okay, so I said you could graph this, right? You make a QQ plot, and if it's a straight line, then it's a normal distribution, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, with QQ plot.
Okay. All right. The null hypothesis is 47, and the alternative is not 47.
Yeah.
The level of significance, let alpha be 0.05.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So the z-score ended up being 0.2091.
Uh-huh.
And because this is a two-tailed problem, we look at the area on both sides. But it's still so low, right? Isn't it? Sorry, it's very high. It's 0.8344.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and so then we fail to reject H sub O because
Yeah, it's
the
rejected.
probability is so high.
You can never confirm the null, you can only fail to reject it.
So I said he should keep targeting middle-aged people in his area.
Okay.
Was that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Mhm.
Okay. Are we ready for quiz time? Or do we have other questions?
Is anybody taking the exam?
I haven't yet.
I have not.
I was going to do it tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm thinking about doing it tonight, but probably tomorrow.
Let's do tomorrow.
Yeah, I know.
It's open for Tuesday and Wednesday, and that's it.
Yeah, it said on the notes it was open Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, but I swear when we looked at it, it said it didn't open until Tuesday, didn't it?
I think.
Yeah, it wasn't until midnight last night that it opened.
Oh, okay, I see.
Like a minute.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay, so we're ready to start the quiz?
Cool.
Let's try and
Yes.
start it. Alright, a hypothesis test consists of two hypotheses. The null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. Which one represents the status quo?
No,
No.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
the true
Which
hypothesis.
Which hypothesis involves equality?
Hmm.
No.
The
The
null.
null, right?
The alternative would be not equal to.
Huh?
The alternative is not equal to.
Right, it's not equal to or it's less than or it's greater than.
Yeah.
So, I don't know, the true hypothesis you would think would involve equality too, but we'll go with the null hypothesis.
Yeah.
There's such a thing as a true hypothesis.
Yeah, that's true. When computing this probability, which hypothesis do you assume to be true? The null hypothesis.
Yeah. No.
Suppose the null hypothesis is equal to 10. Use this information to answer questions 6 through 8. Which of the following represents the alternative hypothesis for a two-tailed test?
It's not equal to, isn't it?
Right, not equal to 10.
Well, it gets two tails.
That's right.
What's
Which of the following represents the alternative for a left-tailed test?
less than, isn't it?
Less than 10, that's right.
And then greater
Right-tailed's going to be
than
greater than 10.
Outcome hypothesis test is determined by comparing p-value level significance, or alpha, is for questions 9 and 10. Which relationship would result in failing to reject the null hypothesis? Failing to reject.
If the p-value is greater than alpha, right?
Yeah.
Then I would not reject the null hypothesis.
Yeah. which is what that last problem we did on the homework was about. It was like 85. Okay. And which relationship would result in rejecting the null? Be less than alpha, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know what this Z is about, but okay.
The Z score. Yeah.
So that's supposed to be a Z score?
That's what I figured.
Well, an insurance company is reviewing its current policy rates, and when originally setting the rates, they believed the average claim was about $1,500. They're concerned that the true mean is actually higher than this. Use this information for 11 and 12. The following would be the appropriate alternative hypothesis.
It's the
Yeah.
they're
Greater, right?
right. The average claim is greater. Yeah.
And then the average claim is equal to 1,500 for number 12.
Yeah,
Mhm.
cool. Right, the insurance company randomly selects and 40 claims and calculates a sample mean of X bar $1,650. Insurance company assumes distribution of the sample mean is normal. Is this a good assumption?
Yes, because n is
It's
big
high.
enough.
Yeah, it's high.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What theorem or law justifies your answer in the previous question? Law of large numbers, isn't it?
Central limit theorem.
Okay, I get those mixed up anymore.
Don't do that on the test, Drew.
Well, I know it's not probability. Sheesh. Which the following is the test statistic as determined in the lesson?
I think it's Z, guys.
It's Z. I saw it. Z.
Okay.
It's Z?
Yeah, Z.
Interesting.
Huh, I thought they would have us calculate something. I got all prepared.
What's the Z-score? What is the Z-score associated with this test? Well, here's your
Okay.
calculation.
Now we're going to do this.
Cool. I don't know how to do that. Alright, so our sample. What is the Z-score?
Okay, I have a big question with the Z-score. I know I should know this by now, but there's two formulas for a Z-score. One that why there is two formulas to get the Z-score?
Or you have your
Okay.
X. Oh.
Go ahead, Drew. Sorry.
You have your X and you subtract that from, so X minus the mean, and then both of that divided by standard deviation. That's normally. And then abnormally, I guess you could say, is when you do that, but instead you also divide by the square root of n as well, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the
Divide the
first
standard
And
deviation.
Bernice, honestly, in this course, if n is given, you use the one that Drew just said. If n is not given,
Don't
you use the first one he said. I haven't seen it. I have not seen it not be the case.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Does that make sense what I'm saying there?
So yeah, so you say when the n is given, then I use the one that it asks for it, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Cool. Okay, so
Okay.
X.
Thank you.
Of course. I hope that I'm sure I didn't have the applet up, so I'm trying to get it up now. Oh. Okay. Did anybody else get .4404?
Getting there. Still dividing a little bit.
Have the applet up, so I'm trying to get it up now. Oh. Okay. Did anybody else get .4404?
Hold on.
That was a lot bigger than I thought it would be. One, four, four, oh, four. Okay. I don't know what my computer is doing now.
Yeah, here's something. That's very interesting.
That was a lot bigger than I thought. I don't know what to do, guys. I'm not sure if I should exit out of this or. All right. Are you guys there?
I'm here.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. All right. Hopefully, then I got rid of the echo and I didn't get rid of you guys. Okay. All right. Anybody there yet?
I don't know. Not a guy. 40.
Sorry. The z-score I got was negative 0.15.
Negative 0.15.
Yes. Anybody else get that?
Yeah, I got negative 0.15.
Okay. And what do they want us to round to 3 decimal places? Usually they. I don't know.
And then 0.440, I guess.
Yeah, that's what I got for the p-value too. So we would fail to reject the null hypothesis, right? Because it's not a small enough number.
Yeah, we're going to fail to reject because it's greater than the significance.
Right.
Yeah.
And 19 should be type 1,
Yep.
right? It's true and we are rejecting it. Yeah.
Okay, number 20, the probability of a type 2 error would increase. Probability of a type 1 error would decrease because we're going down, giving it 1 in 100. But the type 2 error would increase. And I hate number 21 because he doesn't say put your answer in a decimal or. So, I mean, I would say the answer is 0.05, or you could say it's 1 over 20. But what do you guys think? It said, in the course it said, unless it says otherwise, do a decimal out to 3 places. So 0.050?
Yeah, I think that.
Okay.
'Cause we can't put in a percent sign, and I don't think it's going to be a fraction.
Okay. All right. Well, if anybody wants to go over the answers again, we can, but I'm pretty confident.
Give me a second. Give me a second, please.
You guys still on?
Yeah. Annie, you want to go over any of the answers, or do you feel like we're ready to turn this in?
I think we're ready to turn it in. We kind of went through it quick. I think we kind of were good with this one.
Okay.
Oh, I got some wrong. What did I get wrong?
I did too.
16
Yeah, it
is
says our Z-score is wrong and our p-value is wrong, but
Yeah, I
I
was
think.
wondering about that.
Hmm.
How did you go about solving that?
Isn't it 144 minus 150 divided by 40?
Yep,
Yeah,
that's
but
what
you
it
didn't
should
use
be.
the end, did you?
There is no n.
There's 36 sales.
Oh, she takes a simple random sample of 36 cells received.
Oh, they
I
don't.
didn't even that.
They didn't
But
put that.
here we were telling Bernice, just use in when it's given, and I did not see it at all.
Because I kept getting a Z-score of 0.9. I felt like an idiot because I wasn't getting what you were getting.
Why didn't you speak up, Drew? That's
I
why
felt
you're
like an
here.
idiot, and I don't like to speak up when I'm an idiot.
Alright, well. Oh well. A minus isn't the end of the world. Okay. Let's see.
So are we meeting on Thursday?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I plan on it.
Yeah. Do you guys? I did have a question for you for the review. So anybody wants to help out with that? I just been going over the review for the exam. It says state the properties of a normal density curve. What would you say are the properties that it's just bell-shaped? Is that what you would say?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sounds right.
Okay. Okay. Distribution is created. Explain how a sampling distribution is created.
The mean and standard deviation.
Okay. All right, I think that's it. Did you guys have any questions before the exam?
Mm-mm.
No.
Okay.
I'm not ready yet, but good luck to everybody.
Okay, it did not take me there. I'm trying to get on this video call and it's not taking me there. I can't. They need me to post it. Take me there. Grant, can you get me back on this video call? Otherwise, we're going to get in trouble, and I don't want to get in trouble. Can you hear me? It's not taking me back to the... And I can't post it.
Okay. Hold on. It's not taking you back to the video. Is everybody else still on?
Yeah, they all can hear me and everything. I did that. Can you guys hear me right now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
But this says my microphone's off, so that's really weird. And it says my...
Can you hear her now?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see her?
Yes.
Can you see her now?
Still.
That's weird.
Okay. That's a different one. It's not one we're on. Oh well. Guys, do you have access to posting this? Can you post this? Will it show up on your YouTube account?
Yeah. Well, it should be if you have it, it should automatically kind of post, and the link will be on the event page.
I just don't know how to push stop, Annie, because I can't get onto the original page right now.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you guys. I mean, I think even if you hang up, it's not going to stop it. It's going to continue taping me. So that's the only thing, and I don't know when it. I don't know that there's an automatic time it will stop because we had to sign up for being able to just keep on taping for however long we want it to tape. Oh wow.
That's weird.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I think since you hosted it, you're the only one who can.
Right.
You can stop recording and kind of.
Okay.
What did you do?
I don't know, but maybe if we just get out of it, then it would stop it automatically.
Yeah,
So guys, I'm going to try that. So if I lose you, I'm not trying to be rude.
that's okay.
But I'll see you guys on Thursday, and good luck on the exam.
Yes, definitely.
Good luck.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Take care. Yeah. Bye bye.